At Metpro AS, we don't just cut metal, we unlock possibility. Meet the Cutlite Penta XME 3015. With our 20kW fiber laser, we deliver fast, precise, and reliable cutting for customers who expect the best. We cut a wide range of materials: mild steel, stainless steel, aluminum, copper, and brass. From thin sheet to heavy plate, we offer reliable cutting up to 35mm thick. And with a cutting area of 1500 by 3000mm, we handle both small parts and large components with the same level of precision and repeatability. Whether you're prototyping, producing critical components, or scaling up full batch production, our laser technology gives you clean edges, consistent results, and fast turnaround. Strong capacity, high precision, reliable delivery. This is metal cutting done right. Metpro AS, precision that drives your business forward.